Most people don't fail to build wealth because they're broke. They fail because they wait too long to start. If you're in your 20s, this is your unfair advantage. Time is on your side, if you use it correctly. In this video, you'll learn how to build wealth step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Follow this system in order, and your money will begin working for you instead of against you. Step 1. Change how you see money. Wealth is not about looking rich. It's about having control. Money is a tool. If you don't control it, it controls you. Most people spend first and save whatever is left. Wealthy people save and invest first, then spend what remains. This mindset shift is the foundation of everything that follows. Step 2. Track every dollar for 30 days before building wealth. You must see the truth. Track every expense for the next 30 days. Food, transport, subscriptions, small daily purchases. Most people are shocked when they see where their money actually goes. You can't fix what you don't measure. This step alone often frees up money without earning more. Step 3. Cut the silent money leaks. Once you see your spending, remove what doesn't add value. Cancel unused subscriptions. Reduce impulse purchases. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Cutting expenses doesn't mean suffering. It means buying back your future. Small savings repeated every month create massive long-term impact. Step 4. Build an emergency fund before investing or starting side hustles. Protect yourself. An emergency fund is your financial shield. It keeps you out of debt when life happens. Start with 1 month of expenses. Then grow it to 3 months. This step prevents panic decisions and protects your progress. Step 5. Start investing early, even small. You don't need a lot of money to invest. You need consistency. Start with what you have. Invest small amounts regularly. Time plus consistency beats large amounts started late. Compound growth rewards those who start early and stay patient. Step 6. Increase income without working more hours. There is a limit to how much you can earn trading time for money. Wealth is built through leverage. Technology and AI allow one person to produce at scale. Content, digital products, and automation tools multiply effort. Instead of working harder, learn to work smarter. Step 7. Build one scalable side hustle. Choose one side hustle. Not 5. Not 10. Focus on something digital and scalable. Something that can earn while you sleep. Examples include content creation, affiliate marketing, digital services, or automation-based businesses. One focused income stream beats many distracted attempts. Step 8. Reinvest before you upgrade your lifestyle. When extra money comes in, don't rush to spend it. Reinvest first. Grow the system. Lifestyle upgrades can wait. Financial freedom can't. This is where most people fall off, and where disciplined people separate themselves. Step 9. Automate your wealth system. Automation removes emotion. Automate saving. Automate investing. Automate bills. When money moves automatically, success becomes predictable. Systems build wealth faster than motivation ever will. Step 10. Keep learning high-value skills. Skills increase earning power permanently. Learn skills related to money, technology, and problem-solving. Digital skills are especially powerful in today's economy. Your income grows when your value grows. Step 11. Stay consistent and patient. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly. Ignore hype. Avoid shortcuts. Show up consistently. Let time and discipline do the heavy lifting. This is how real wealth is built. If you master money, technology, and patience in your 20s, your future becomes optional, not stressful. The best time to build wealth was yesterday. The second best time is today. Subscribe for more videos about money, tech tools, and motivation.